Creating mummies in ancient Egypt was a complex process that involved religious rituals and scientific techniques aimed at preserving the body for the afterlife. Mummification began in Egypt over 4,000 years ago, evolving from simple burials in the desert, which naturally preserved bodies due to the dry, arid environment. As Egyptian beliefs about the afterlife became more complex, so did the methods of preserving the body, ensuring the deceased could enjoy eternal life. Mummification was deeply rooted in Egyptian religious beliefs. Egyptians believed that preserving the body was essential for the soul's journey after death. The soul, consisting of several parts, needed a physical body to return to. Thus, elaborate funerary practices developed to protect and prepare the body for the afterlife. The process began by taking the body to the embalmer's workshop, which was located near the Nile. The process typically lasted around 70 days and involved washing the body with water from the Nile, symbolizing purification. The embalmers removed the internal organs, which were prone to rapid decay. Each organ had its own significance and was preserved separately, for example, the liver, lungs, stomach, and intestines. These were carefully extracted through a small incision on the left side of the abdomen. Each organ was then embalmed and stored in special containers called canopic jars. The heart was often left inside the body, as it was believed to be the seat of intelligence and emotion, crucial for the afterlife judgment. The brain was removed through the nostrils using specialized hooks. Surprisingly, Egyptians considered the brain unimportant, discarding it after removal. The body was then covered in natron, a naturally occurring salt mixture, to dehydrate it. This process, lasting about 40 days, prevented decay by removing all moisture. The desiccation process was critical in preserving the body's features and preventing decomposition. After dehydration, the embalmers wrapped the body in linen strip. This process involved the application of resins and oils to maintain skin elasticity and protect against bacteria. Linen wrapping was then made by the embalmers meticulously, sometimes incorporating amulets and charms between layers for protection. Each layer was often accompanied by prayers and spells to ensure safe passage to the afterlife. Once fully wrapped, a critical ritual known as the opening of the mouth was performed. This ceremony aimed to restore the senses of the deceased, allowing them to eat, drink, and speak in the afterlife. Priests used various tools to touch the mummy's mouth, symbolically reanimating it. The mummy was then placed in a series of coffins, often nested within one another, each elaborately decorated. The coffins were then placed inside a tomb filled with goods, including food, jewelry, furniture, and texts, which was believed that the deceased might need in the afterlife. Tombs varied in complexity, from simple pit graves to elaborate structures like pyramids or the Valley of the Kings. The wealth and status of the individual greatly influenced the tomb's size and decoration. Modern scientific studies have revealed the materials and methods used in mummification, such as natron, resins, and linen wrappings. Mummification had a significant cultural impact on Egyptian art, literature, and religion, influencing depictions of the afterlife and rituals surrounding death. Mummification practices were not exclusive to Egypt, as they were also found in cultures like the Chinchorro in South America and Buddhist monks in Asia. Archaeologists continue to uncover mummies, providing insights into ancient practices and beliefs. Recent technological advancements, such as CT scans and DNA analysis, allow scientists to study mummies without damaging them, revealing information about health, diet, and diseases in ancient populations. Mummification in ancient Egypt was a profound expression of the culture's religious beliefs and scientific understanding. The process, designed to ensure eternal life, was intricate and multifaceted, reflecting the Egyptians' deep respect for the dead and their desire to overcome mortality. As modern technology continues to unveil secrets from these ancient practices, our understanding of this remarkable civilization grows ever richer. Now you know.